Top heart-healthy foods for a healthy heart. Fatty fish are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids. These acids have anti-inflammatory properties and reduce blood clotting, promoting heart health. They can even lower the risk of arrhythmias and sudden cardiac death. Whole grains provide sustained energy and support heart function. They contain B vitamins, magnesium, and potassium. The soluble fiber in whole grains also helps remove cholesterol from the body. Berries offer heart protective benefits. They contain phytochemicals like anthocyanins, which relax blood vessels and reduce blood pressure. Berries are also rich in vitamin C, supporting a healthy heart. Nuts are nutrient-dense and contain a mix of heart-healthy compounds. They provide arginine, an amino acid that improves blood vessel function. Nuts also have phytosterols, which can lower cholesterol absorption. Leafy greens are low in calories but high in vitamins and minerals. They are rich in vitamin K, essential for blood clotting regulation, and provide nitrates that may help lower blood pressure. Avocado's monounsaturated fats can help lower LDL cholesterol while increasing HDL, good cholesterol levels. Avocados also contain potassium, which regulates blood pressure and reduces the risk of stroke. Beans are a superb source of plant-based protein, complex carbohydrates, and soluble fiber. The combination of protein and fiber helps stabilize blood sugar levels and reduces the risk of heart disease. The magnesium in beans is crucial for muscle and nerve function, including the heart. Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that reduces inflammation and protects your arteries. Fun fact, cooking tomatoes actually increases the availability of lycopene. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. It reduces inflammation and keeps your blood vessels healthy. So drizzle it on your salads and use it for cooking. Indulge in some dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content. It's loaded with flavonoids that improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. Just remember, moderation is key. Incorporating these heart-healthy foods into your diet, along with reducing sodium, sugar, and trans fat intake, and maintaining a healthy weight, can help prevent heart disease. For personalized dietary recommendations, consult a healthcare professional or registered dietitian. Stay healthy, everyone.